हाय, मेरा नाम है अदिति एंड आप सुन रहे हो काय पढ़ना अदिति. दिस इज January Unhinged, a month where I will be uploading new episode every single day at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I do hope you tune in. I do hope you show some support to my podcast. Yeah, let's begin today's episode. I want to talk about bad days and how to get out of that bad mood, bad day overall. Yeah, I know we've all been there. It's just one of those days where you cannot do life in general. You woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Maybe it's the cold, maybe it's the gloomy weather. सब कुछ गलत हो रहा है and you just cannot seem to find your footing. This episode is for you. I've been there and I understand. I see you, I understand. So now here's what you do need to do next. टेक द डे ऑफ फ्रॉम वर्क. अगर आज वर्किंग डे है आपका, इफ़ यू फील इट्स जस्ट नॉट, यू आर नॉट फीलिंग इट, टेक द डे ऑफ. कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, काम वहीं के वहीं रहेगा. आप जब आओगे तब शायद थोड़ा ज़्यादा भी हो काम, बट यू नो वॉट, बिलीव मी, इन अ बिगर पिक्चर यू वुड वर्क मोर एफिशिएंटली एंड योर वर्क वुड नॉट सफ़र. जितना सफ़र हो सकता है अगर आपने छुट्टी नहीं ली हो तो. या नेक्स्ट, आई वॉन्ट यू टू पिन पॉइंट द प्रॉब्लम. एग्जैक्टली हो क्या रहा है, क्या बॉदर कर रहा है आपको. बी वेरी क्या बोलेंगे, इलेबरेट अबाउट कहाँ तकलीफ हो रहा है एंड राइट इट डाउन. राइट द प्रॉब्लम डाउन एंड आई वॉन्ट यू टू हैव अ कॉन्क्रीट प्लान टू मेक योर सेल्फ फील बेटर बाई लिस्टिंग थिंग्स. यू नो कि हाँ ये सोल्यूशन हो सकता है ये प्रॉब्लम का. राइट, सो बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट दिस एंड पॉइंट आउट द प्रॉब्लम. कहीं से तो शुरुआत करनी है, राइट. तो लिखना चालू करो, क्या इशू हो रहा है, क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, राइट. Then I also want you to think of 3 things that you are absolutely grateful for. Write them down. Having positive mindset is extremely important, especially when you're down the dump. It is. Trust me, it will lift you up. It will elevate your day. There's a lot to be grateful for. Alright. Now, ये थोड़े सीरियस पॉइंट्स थे एंड दे मेड सेंस. शायद फॉलोइंग पॉइंट्स मे और मे नॉट मेक सेंस, बट दे डू टू मी एंड दे हैव हेल्प मी गेट आउट ऑफ रियली बैड टाइम. सो हियर्स समथिंग दैट यू ऑल्सो कैन डू. You can start with maybe eating something comforting food. Like there's nothing more comforting than eating something that you absolutely love. आलू पराठा हो गया, maybe butter chicken, maybe rajma chawal, maybe a nice burrito bowl. Just something that you absolutely love and you eat during those down days. Start with that. Then I want you to move as much as you can. Walk in the nature, skip, jump, dance. I want you to just move. One of the instant ways to feel good is taking a walk, going out in the nature and taking a walk. Even if you have to drag yourself out of the bed and crawl, you do that, but I want you to take a walk. That's it. We as humans are made to walk. You remember walking? We have to do that. Yes. You're like, अरे आज तो ऑफ है, आज तो मेरे को सोने दे. But no, trust me, you'll actually feel better. The other thing that I absolutely love is getting a nice massage, facial, manicure, pedicure done. Like, I love a good healing touch. I love getting manicure, pedicure done, and like they just instantly lift up my spirit. If you've never tried this, I want you to go try it. Find a really nice place, pay the money. It's just worth the investment, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. Number 7, I think you can choose to also get a nice haircut done or like hair wash and get even your makeup done if you're into that. Get a blow dry, wash hair, makeup, sab kuch. Like this just makes me very happy, like getting my makeup done and like just that touch wala feeling. And I love looking pretty, especially on those dumpy days. Then number 8, take your friend out on a sweet adventure, aka desert therapy. Instant mood lifter. Ice cream खाओ या chocolate खाओ, macaron, cake, whatever. Pick your poison and share it, of course. Share it. The sugar, the science behind sugar is it goes high, it will take you high up, but then once the sugar goes down, it will come crashing down. So less is more, I guess. And share, of course, share your dessert. Always share your dessert. Next, I want you to go maybe find your local pet shelter, your dog park, your garden. There's nothing more feel good than petting a dog. I think instant feel good hormone instant आता है वो. You can do that. Then also you can choose to donate or volunteer at shelter. You know, लंगर में आप जाके खाना बना सकते हो. Give your time to something that is beyond your selfish motive or beyond that. मतलब selfless act करो. Maybe teach some kids, host free workshop, give out flowers, pass out some positive affirming notes to people in the park. Spread some joy. That's all. Spread some joy. Then for me personally, मैं comedians को watch करती हूँ. I watch a lot of comedians. Maybe go watch a comedian live in person. They make you instantly laugh. Like, I do love a comedy movie marathon. Anything by Adam Sandler, you'll fucking laugh out loud. Just watch Grown Up 1, 2, 3. बहुत सारे part निकले. They're just funny AF. Next, of course, have sex, masturbate. I think that will really cheer you up for sure. I don't even need to explain this. Next up, retail therapy. Yes, it is very real. I want you to take yourself out on a date, buy yourself some new clothes, new lingerie, end up at a fancy ass restaurant, get yourself nice jewelry, treat yourself, go all the fucking out. I mean, it's you. You are the best thing that has happened to you, and there's so much to be grateful for. So do that. Then go out on long drive, period. Like, this might actually fix a lot of things, especially if you love traveling and if you love driving, this might be good. For my book lovers, Flora Fountain is your heaven. I pay up like 1,000 rupees and I get 5 to 10 books, and I'm just very happy and I feel good, and that's it. I call it a day there. Then maybe this time around, maybe take a shower if you have not already. Sometimes you don't need to do anything very big or grand, elaborate in detail. You just need to go out, take a shower in your bathroom, full on pura go out, as in full on pura scrub, body wash se leke scrub se leke deep conditioning, sab kuch. Maybe have a waterproof speaker or something and have the best shower of your life is what I'll recommend. And then also maybe this might help, changing of the scenery might help. Book a staycation in your own city at a 5-star, 7-star hotel, and whatever, I mean, depending upon whatever your budget is, but this will actually cheer you up for sure. Like, changing and scenery helps a lot. So these were a few things that actually might help you get out of the dump slump. Yeah, I hope you find this informative, helpful. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.